Hello folks, this is a short video to show you how to upload the course project data file into Statcrunch so you can use it to complete your course project. Okay, so I'm inside the week 8 module. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to where the assignments tab is. Okay, and go down to where you see the project data file. Okay. Let's see. So that should allow you to save that file. So I'm going to save this file. It's an Excel file. I'm going to save it to my desktop, which is here. I already had a copy saved on it, so that's why that popped up, but you won't. Okay. So now I've downloaded the data file. So what I need to do now is to actually go into Statcrunch and actually upload that file. Okay, so of course the way you get to Statcrunch, you have to go through My Stat Lab. So I'm going to click My Stat Lab menu here. Any one of these will take me over there, so I'll just choose the top one. Okay, so now I am entering into my Stat Lab, but where I need to go is to Statcrunch. So I'm going to click Statcrunch. Okay. And that brings up two options. The one that I want is visit the Statcrunch website. Okay, so this takes you into your own personal menu. It should say My Statcrunch for whatever your user ID is. And so quickly, let me show you, anytime you upload something, you save something, it goes into a little menu for you under this My Data. So I click that. You'll see anything that's saved here. I actually had a bunch of stuff in here and just deleted it so that it wouldn't confuse you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to upload that file and it will ultimately appear here. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to choose this first little link here that says select a file on my computer. When I click that, it opens up this. I'm going to choose the Browse button. Okay, and now I'm going to choose that Excel file, which is the course project CSV file. Okay, and one way you'll know you've done it correctly is it should look like this. You should see the labels of the variables at the very top and then the data underneath here. Okay, so assuming it looks like that, actually all I need to do is go down to the bottom and tell it to load the file. And so now it's actually uploaded the data, and so this is basically where you need it to be in order to do the calculations that you need for the course project. Now it's automatically saved into your menu, so for some reason once you've done this you need to get out of here, but then when you come back in, if you remember, if you go back to that course menu, by the way my tab is still open here, if I now click My Data, right, you now see that project is there. Okay, so even if I were to log out of this, if I came back through the way that I showed you to this menu, all I have to do is click this project and it will bring up that spreadsheet. Okay, so this is the data file that you're going to need in order to do the course project calculations. Okay, so happy hunting. Once again, if you get stuck on any of this part, please feel free to contact me. My advice is do this soon and do it early. That way, if there are some hang-ups, there's plenty of time for you to contact me and we can work through some of this. Okay? Well, bye-bye for now. Take care.